Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English with Nisha. So friend, in this video I am going to share with you 5-6 tips for how to start learning English for beginners. So however, I have shared so many tips and techniques for how to start learning spoken English, but as we are a learner and learn every day, so we get ideas and learn by our experience. So in this video I am going to share some tips little differently. By using that, really you will speak this language, you will improve, understand and build confidence in English. But for this you have to do it every day continuously 21 days. Why 21 days? It is said that when we do something for 21 days, it becomes our habit. So you have to follow these all tips for 21 days if you want to improve, speak, understand, and become confident in English. So, my dear friend, without further ado, let's start the video. So, my first tip for beginners: listening. I know you know listening. Listening is important for speaking English, for learning English. But here I'm telling you how you have to listen. So, first of all, you must love to watch anything in Hindi. It could be movie or cartoons, anything else जो भी आपको अच्छे लगते हैं, मैच हो या मूवी हो या कार्टून्स हो, आप हिंदी में ऑलवेज उस तरह की वीडियो वॉच करते हैं. सो नाउ फ्रॉम टुडे एंड वर्ड्स ट्राई टू वॉच इन इंग्लिश इफ़ यू वांट टू स्पीक इंग्लिश. आज से जो है शुरू कर दीजिए, उसको हिंदी में नहीं इंग्लिश में वॉच करना स्टार्ट कर दीजिए. ओके, सो हियर you have to build understanding by listening if you want to speak English, because first you have to build the understanding. When you will build understanding, then you will learn. When you will learn, then you will speak. Same method we applied in our childhood to speak, to learn our native language. First what we did, first we observed, okay, we listen, and by listening we developed understanding. बाई वॉचिंग आवर पेरेंट्स, अपने पेरेंट्स को, नेबर्स को, फैमिली मेम्बर्स को देख देख के, लिसनिंग कर कर के हमने लर्न किया एक्शन और रिएक्शन के साथ, एक्शन और डायलॉग के साथ, कि ये डायलॉग है, ये एक्शन है, ऐसा एक्सप्रेशन होगा और तभी ये यूज होगा. And in this way, by observing, listening and watching their action, dialogue, we learnt those language, those line, those sentences, कि कब यूज किया जाएगा, कैसे यूज किया जाएगा. So here also you have to listen and watch how, with action, with dialogue, then you will learn this vocab, this sentence, when you have to use, and what should be your expressions, what should be your action while using them. So in this way you have to listen, you have to watch, and your mind gradually by watching, action, dialogue, listening, it will develop understanding. Your mind will start understanding and learn, then you will be ready for speaking. So start from listening, okay, and listen whatever you like, just listen. Second tips, vocabs. See my dear friend, if you don't know how to speak, but if you know vocabs, anyone can understand you and you can understand anyone. See, one child, they don't speak sentence directly, दे स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग वर्ड. जो छोटे बच्चे होते हैं वो वर्ड बोलते हैं पहले, सेंटेंसेस नहीं बोलते हैं. पहले वो जो है मम्मी पापा दादा दादी मम्मा ऐसे करके जो है बोलना स्टार्ट करते हैं. तो हियर ऑल्सो यू डोंट हैव टू जंप डायरेक्टली ऑन द सेंटेंसेज, यू हैव टू लर्न फर्स्ट vocab, and from where you should start, So you should start from your body, from your home, from your whatever you use. जब हम छोटे थे तो हम पहले जो है मम्मी पापा खाना पीना ये सब चीज़ें जो है बोलना स्टार्ट करते हैं. सो हियर ऑल्सो यू हैव टू लर्न वोकेबलरी रिलेटेड टू आवर लाइफ, नॉट डायरेक्टली माउंटेन एंड सी एंड रिवर. नो, you have to start from here, your body parts. if you don't know how to word in English, तो यहाँ से स्टार्ट करिए. या जो फूड आप खाते हैं, हम बनाते हैं, वो चीज़ें स्टार्ट करिए. आप जो है नानी को क्या बोला जाता है, नाना को क्या बोला जाता है, बुआ को क्या बोला जाता है, या व्हीकल्स जिससे हम ट्रैवल करते हैं, फूड जो हम खाते हैं, क्लॉथ्स जो हम यूज करते हैं, हमारे घर में जितने सामान है, लर्न दोज काइंड्स ऑफ वोकैब्स विच यू कैन यूज. ऐसे वर्ड लर्न करिए जिससे आप जो है यूज कर सके फ्रॉम फर्स्ट डे, पहले दिन से ही आप उसको यूज करना स्टार्ट कर सके. ऐसा वर्ड लर्न करिए और जहाँ भी हैं आप वहीं से स्टार्ट करिए. एंड स्टार्ट रिप्लेसिंग दोज वोकैब विथ हिंदी वर्ड. उसको जो है यूज करना स्टार्ट करिए. जो भी आप हिंदी में अपने नेटिव लैंग्वेज में यूज करते हैं उसे मत यूज करिए, इंग्लिश वर्ड को यूज करिए ग्रेजुअली. ओके, so this is the second. Now let's talk about third. In third you have to do reading. See how we learnt our Hindi language, though it is not our first language, but without environment we learnt how. First we started watching movie and there we started learning Hindi, and after that we went in school and there we read in book, we started study. So here also for learning English you also have to do reading. And for beginners you should start with kids story book. किड्स स्टोरी बुक यू हैव टू टेक एंड रीड. आपको रीड करना है एवरी डे. ओके, सो you will see that you are pronouncing good, you are learning words, sentences, and it is building confident in you. So read loudly, okay, every day, morning and evening. This is the third. Fourth technique you have to apply picture method. Okay, but for this I won't tell you take any picture and start describing. No, you have to do it at your home. Okay, see your family member, observe your family member. Okay, and speak in English. See आपके मम्मी पापा भाई बहन क्या कर रहे हैं, and tell in English, my mother is cooking, my father is worshipping, my siblings are studying. Yeah, you can go on the roof and whatever you are watching, आपको जो कुछ भी दिखाई दे रहा है उसको इंग्लिश में बोलना शुरू करिए. डोंट केयर यू आर स्पीकिंग राइट और रॉन्ग, बट उसे इंग्लिश में बोलने की कोशिश करिए. ओके, जो भी आपको पेड़ दिखाई दे रहा है आप बोलिए ट्रीज are green, farmer are walking in the field, there are lot of field, there are lot of building, and also you can see your neighbor. Okay, whatever they are doing any activity you can see, तो वो भी डिस्क्राइब करिए. सी इज़ माई नेबर, हर नेम इज़ दिस वन, सी स्टडी इन दिस क्लास इज प्लेइंग. इन दिस वे जो है आप डिस्क्राइब करिए अपने रूफ पे जाके या अपना बालकनी में जाके या फील्ड साइड कहीं पे भी, वेर एवर यू आर इन विलेज एंड सिटी नो मैटर, बट इस तरह से जो है आप देख के और उसको इंग्लिश में जो है स्पीकिंग करिए. एंड ऑल्सो वेन एवर यू आर डूइंग समथिंग, जब भी आप कुछ कर रहे हैं तो वो भी आप इंग्लिश में डिस्क्राइब करिए. इंग्लिश में बोलिए आई एम स्टडिंग, आई एम प्रैक्टिसिंग विथ माई सेल्फ, आई एम ऑब्जर्विंग, आई एम लर्निंग, आई एम रीडिंग, आई एम कुकिंग, इन दिस वे. ओके, फिफ्थ I will tell you tenses. See my dear friend, you are doing listening, you are learning vocab, and if you don't know tenses then how you can tell in English, how you can make sentences in English. If you have vocabs, people will understand and you will understand other people. But if you want to speak, so only vocabs are not sufficient. You will have to make the sentences, transform the sentences, and for this you have to work on tenses. So also work on tenses: present indefinite, past indefinite, future continuous, perfect. Work on this, and then you will be able to make sentences, transform sentences, and that will help you to speak English. Describe the things, activity, whatever going around you. Okay. And sixth or fifth, I forgot. Okay. Let's fifth. So fifth, what you have to do, you have to record yourself. Yes, you hear me right, you have to record yourself each and every day, from first day, okay, till 21 days. So you have to speak anything, whatever comings in your mind. Just speak for 1 and 2 minutes in front of your camera. So what will happen when you will check those video 21 days, you will see your confident level, your improvement, how you were first day and how you are on 21 days. So that will when you will see those you progress in your video, which you will record every day, that will give you confidence. Okay. And when you will get confident, your see your improvement, that you are improving, you are understanding, you are learning, you are confident, then those will help you build your confidence, make you feel believe in you that you can learn this language, you can speak this language. This is in your hand. But for this you have to follow these all tips for 10 and 15 minutes every day continuously, and by recording video, and then you will see that how you are improved, how you are understanding, you are learning, and you are becoming confident, and those will help you to learn more and more, grow more and more, and become confident more and more. So I hope now if you are beginner, so you understood what you should do for learning and starting your speaking journey, how you should learn. If you then must follow this tips, and 10-15 minute practice each and every day continuously, then you will see the improvement. So I hope you like this video. If you, then please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye, we will meet in next video.